In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open multiple pages in Notion if you're organizing notes, client work, project plans, or different types of information inside one workspace. Creating multiple pages is one of the easiest ways to keep everything clean and easy to navigate. Notion is designed to let you build out your content page by page, so once you know where to click, the process is very simple. To get started, go to your Notion page. This is the page where you want to begin creating additional pages. If you're already inside your workspace, just open the section where you want these pages to live. It helps to first make sure you're in the correct area, especially if you're working in a larger workspace with several sections or documents. Once you're on the right page, move your cursor over the page section in the right-hand column. As you hover there, you should see a plus icon appear. This plus icon is the option to add a new page. Click on it to create another page inside that section. When you click the plus icon, Notion will instantly add a new page for you. This is useful when you want to separate different topics, create individual documents, or break a larger workspace into smaller, more manageable parts. Keeping content in separate pages can make your workspace much easier to scan and update later. To open multiple pages, simply keep clicking that same plus icon again and again. Each click adds another page, so if you need several pages at once, you don't have to do anything complicated. Just repeat the same action until you've created as many pages as you need. A helpful tip here is to create all the pages you know you'll need first, and then go back and rename or organize them afterward. That can make the setup process feel faster and smoother, especially if you're building out a new project or content structure. It also helps you stay focused on creating the layout before getting into the details. That's really all there is to it. Go to your Notion page, hover over the page section on the right-hand side, click the plus icon to add a page, and continue clicking it to create multiple pages. It's a quick and effective way to expand your workspace and stay organized in Notion. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.